Hey,
Doc. Hey, John. Hey, come on in.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Yeah.
Awesome. John, so we'll take a left and head over to X-Ray.
To make matters worse for John McLeod, he now has a ball club that has been hard hit by injury. Second-year player John Starks has been activated following a strong preseason. He immediately catapults to the status of fourth guard. And there is John Starks wearing number 3.
Obviously, you're an exceptional athlete. I mean, you're basically the epitome of hard work, determination, and athleticism.
Starks, yes! What a move by Starks, who was able to sky to the basket.
New York is a blue-collar town, as we all know, and people get up every single day to go to work and grind every single day just to make a living.
We love you, buddy.
Thank you. Yeah, how you guys doing, bro? Win or lose, they expect for you to leave it out there on the court, and we did that every single night.
Starks for 3. Yes! Just did beat the shot clock.
So, John, what have you been up to?
Just busy. Busy with the Knicks.
So, how are the hips doing?
Hips is doing great.
Awesome.
It's been great just to be able to walk pain-free around the garden.
What's up, player?
Mike, how you doing?
Hey, John.
Good. How you doing? Good.
Hey, did you address the team?
Yeah, I did.
What was the main message you gave?
Last 5 minutes.
Obviously, being an athlete, you
Yeah.
taught to
You're no stranger to
yeah,
pain.
yeah,
Yeah.
You taught to work through pain,
Right.
and and that's what I was doing. I probably went a little bit overboard because of what I did.
That's
and
right.
I know how to, mentally just block that out.
But then it becomes a quality of life issue,
Yes.
and when you get to the point where you just look at your life and it's not really the way you want to live your life, then it's time to do something.
And
about
I
it.
think you hit the nail right on top of the head. I think that's where I was at the point when I came to see you was my quality of life
Yes.
was being affected. When I had to go out on court, I could barely walk out there, and it took everything inside of me to walk out there and stand straight.
Yeah, I remember when you came to see me, and through all the minutes you've played on the court, all the training you've done, it just really had wear and tear. You were to the point of being bone on bone. We sculpted to accept a cap, so we put the cap onto your femoral bone with a new socket, so you have 2 new pieces.
Yeah.
It's basically the metal ball that we put on top of your own bone. So shaved away the arthritis, put that on top. This goes into your pelvis, and then it's nice and smooth, which is what you were missing with that arthritis.
Yeah.
He could shoot it. That dude could shoot. What's your name? Jules, how you doing? I'm John Starks.
It's been great just to be able to go out there and move around and be active with the kids instead of standing on the sideline just watching them.
Able to show them some of your old moves.
Yeah, not as quite as it was when I was playing, but, getting close to it. Yeah.
That's why I got into this, was to be able to return people to what their passions are. So to hear you be able to go back to the garden, run around and do your appearances, coach kids, help a lot of other people, that's just extremely gratifying to me.
Yeah, no,
Thank you.
I thank you for your commitment to, get guys like myself, former athletes, and just people in general back to a healthy way of living and a pain-free way of living.
You're going to lay on your back, maybe? That's what
These are your X-rays. This top one is from today, and that's from before the surgery, actually. Yeah, exactly. So you see where it was bone on bone there.
Yeah.
Happy to tell you the new hips look great. So that's the right one, that's the left. Both look terrific. Your bone around the implants look healthy. Your muscle around the hip looks excellent. Your mobility is great. So it's really A+.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
You got it.
Purdue guns it down. A bad pass. Starks on the steal. And a very impressive Knick debut for John Starks.
I miss those times. I miss those games, competing against Chicago, Indiana, you know what I mean? But when something is taken away from you, you tend to appreciate it a little bit more once you get it back. And believe me, once I received that hip replacement, it just made a big difference in my life, and I'm much better for it.